In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with non-Gmail users. This can be especially useful for coordinating events with friends, family, or colleagues who may not use Gmail but still need access to your schedule. Let's dive right in and explore how to set this up. First, open your web browser and head to Google Calendar. You can easily find it by visiting calendar.google.com. Once you're there, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is also known as the menu icon. Click on it to expand the side menu. Within this menu, you will see a section labeled My Calendars. Click it to reveal a list of your calendars. From here, choose the calendar that contains the event you wish to share. Simply click on the name of the calendar to select it. Next, we need to open the settings for sharing. Locate the three vertical dots to the right of the calendar name you've selected. Clicking these dots will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a new page with various options. Once you're on the settings page, find the section called Access Permissions for Events. This is your key to sharing your calendar. Check the box that says Make Available to Public. Doing this will allow non-Gmail users to view your calendar events. However, before you proceed, you'll see a warning message indicating that making your calendar public might expose it to a wider audience. Make sure to read this message carefully and consider the privacy implications. If you're comfortable with this, click OK to confirm your decision. Now, you have an important choice to make. You need to decide how much of your calendar others should be able to see. Options range from showing only if you're free or busy to revealing all event details. Select the level of access that best suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, look for the icon that says Get Shareable Link. Click on it. This will generate a link that you can share with others, allowing them to view your calendar. After generating the link, go ahead and click Copy Link. This will copy the link to your clipboard, making it easy to share with anyone, even those who don't use Gmail. You can paste this link in an email, message, or any platform of your choice to ensure that others can view your calendar. And there you have it, a simple way to share your Google Calendar with non-Gmail users. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.